Yes, hello viewers all over the world. This is Eric Auto Center, your number one automotive channel that guarantee allowing you an annually motor vehicle experience. This is Eric Auto Center on YouTube, Eric Auto TV on Facebook. So today we are here to take you through some certain maintenance information that is more important to you. How to maintain your car for long-term use is more important. So telling you this information requires a certain update. So if you are watching me, take your notebook and your pen and write all these things down so that you won't miss any of our videos. This is Eric Auto Center. Today, what are you going to talk about? We are going to talk about periodic maintenance, the basic knowledge of periodic maintenance, the basic information you have to know, the basic inspection intervals you have to know, how to change your engine oil, when to change it, how to inspect your engine oil, how to check it, when to change your brake fluid, how to inspect it, when to change your transmission oil, how to inspect it, how to change your brake pad, how to inspect it, when to inspect it, and the basic requirement, how to change your spark plug, when to inspect it, and how to change it. All these things are basic information that you may need to know so that your car can live long as much as manufacturer is. If you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, please do so to hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any video on this platform. We will keep updating you, and as usual, we guarantee allowing you an annual motor vehicle and automotive experience. This is Ghana's number one automotive channel that helps you to know about car, help you to maintain a car, and all the tips that require on car is here for you right now. So subscribe, share, and comment as well. I thank you for those subscribe to my channel. I thank you for those who share my videos every week, who like and comment as well. I say God bless you all, and I'll soon mention those people's name because I have all the list here, and I will do an appreciation video to show some concern that I know what you guys are doing out there for me. So a car has some basic components that make it complete. There are some components that make a car complete to move, and these components are more important, how they work and how to inspect them. So number one, we have engine. That is the number one component. Number two, we have drivetrain, and this is the number two component. We have number three, chassis, steering, suspension. We have body electricals, and then number five, we have what? Body. So these are the main five components that consist a car to move. It's a complete made up of a vehicle that manufacturers use. So all these things after being added to the car to make it complete, you the user also have to check it regularly and inspect it and maintain it for long-term use. So number one is the engine, how to protect engine and how to use engine for long lasting. To make your engine last longer, we all know that there's one thing you have to do, which is proper oil change. Changing your engine oil at a regular basis requires your engine to last longer and work for good performance, and also bring and work multi-income, which is worth it a lot. So we have two types of engine oil that we use regular basis in our society. We have synthetic engine oil and then regular engine oil, as well as semi-synthetic engine oil. So it's a three categories, and most of people use regular engine oil. So those use regular engine oil, your inspection interval is 5,000 kilometers. Every 5,000 kilometers you have to use it. You have to change it. For those using it for private use, for commercial users, 3,000 kilometers you have to change your oil. This is more about it, whether the date or the odometer, whichever comes first, you have to change your oil. So synthetic engine oil requires you 10,000 kilometers, and it is also more important for those using it for commercial, for business. like Uber, Nyango, and all these things. You are required to change it every 6 months, which is good for you. But for those using it for their normal routine use, you are required to change it every 10 months. So once in a year is more important and is good. These are the things you have to know about engine oil. And also don't forget to use quality oil filter. Using quality engine oil filter is more important because this is the heart of the engine, which protect dust. It protect dust and it also take you to long distance driving, so that no dirty can able to penetrate into your car engine for wearing, like rings wearing and all these things, because engine is a metal to metal contact. So if your engine oil is not clean, there are some certain chips that I mean get into the engine oil when there is a friction, and this friction only require good engine oil for them to elevate them into the engine system, internal combustion chamber, and turn it into carbon or carbon monoxide. So these are the things you need to know. Number two is the spark plug. Spark plug also need to be replaced every 40,000 or 20,000 kilometers due to the type of spark plug, whether you are using platinum, iridium, or regular spark plug. These are the things you have to know. Air cleaner also need to be replaced every 20,000 kilometers, which is 2 years. But if you know you drive in a very dusty area, you don't need 2 years to change it. And make sure you clean it on a regular basis, at least once a month. And if there is a need to change, don't wait for 20,000 kilometers, which is 2 years for you to change. It may also result, to a bad brief, or it may take dust. Because engine oil air cleaner also take natural air from outside and supply into the engine for best performance, which is helping the airflow mixture to flow. So those natural air from outside also require some certain dirty dust. So air cleaner block all this dust not to enter into the combustion chamber for the airflow mixture. So when air cleaner is dirty, you know what it is. Dirty or any air bad air can enter into your engine and destroy it. So avoid it at all costs. Make sure to check your gripper whenever you perform engine oil change, including tire rotation. Tire rotation is more important whenever you perform an oil change, and this is also solid about it. This is one episode that I'm going to bring to week by week. So we are going to make it short and we will continue for the next time. So it is going to be an episode upon episode until we finish the whole presentation. This is what we are going to do. Then we all know suspension, chassis, and then what, steering. So suspension, chassis, and steering also required to their own category. Drivetrain is more important, which is the front axle and the rear axle. These are the tractions which contain hub, which contain lower arms, links, stabilizer bar bushing, and all those things. So we need to check it regularly. When there is something worn out, you are able to replace it so that you can move smoothly and do your business, because car is for business. I don't know who been using car for funny things. If you're using car for fun, that is your own business. It's your own cup of tea. But me, I use car for business purpose. So the strong or the commitment you put to maintain your car determine the amount of earning that going to bring you. Because that is the priority, that's the philosophy. And no doubt about it. So checking all these things is more important. And then body electricals, you have to check the electrical system, your lighting system, braking system, and all these things. No tempering of wires. Don't let any roadside mechanic temper your wires to cause harm to your car. Maintain the wiring diagram system. Maintain the wiring diagram system as the manufacturer did, and you are good to go, and you are good to go. That is it. Body, we all know maintaining the body is more important. Maintaining your car paint, maintaining your underhood. You have to wash your car regularly if you live in a dusty area. Keep the interior clean, and once a while you clean the engine with the steam wash. and you are good to go. This is a complete made up of a vehicle. This is Eric Auto Center. Be sure to like the video and share as well. I'll come your way in the next video, but if anything you don't understand or I didn't mention in this video, please put your comment in the comment section. Hesitate at all, because we take our audience feedback very seriously. So we come out and we come back. So we come back and reply to all the comments, and also we will come your way with another episode for this presentation. Until I meet you in the next video, bye bye. Be better and not bitter. Stay blessed.